Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing the study of pregnancy diagnosis test by Professor Sabashek. So the aim of the experiment is to study pregnancy diagnosis test. Requirement: pregnancy diagnostic test kit and the urine sample. Principle: on what basis, what is the principle behind this experiment? So whether the woman is pregnant or not, it is determined by the pregnancy test. The fertilized egg secrete hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which is found in urine during early pregnancy. And when a urine sample of a pregnant woman is react with a specific HCG antibody, precipitation like reaction occur, and this precipitation like reaction is used as a diagnostic test for pregnancy. So basically this particular type of test is performed using a marketed available kit. So this is the marketed available kit. You can see here, this is the dropper. Okay, this is the kit. On this kit we have here a sample zone is present, or here we'll put the urine sample. Here is the test zone and here is the control zone. So we'll see the procedure how to perform this experiment. So collect the first urine sample in the morning in a clean container. Then add 2 to 3 drops of urine on the 2 to 3 drop of urine you should put here. Okay. Then observe the color change of the band and read the result as follows. So suppose if the two lines are observed, okay, so the development of pink line on both test and control zone, that means the result is positive. But if only one line is observed on a control zone, that means the result is negative. So now we'll see the observation. So we have taken two samples, sample 1, sample 2. In sample 1, the two pink line are observed, one on the control zone and one on the test zone, then the result is positive. On the second sample, we observe only a single line on control zone, that means the result is negative. So this is how we perform the urine pregnancy test. Thank you.